Hi guys, welcome to the homework check video for intermediate speaking for week 4. In week 4 we finished studying chapter 3. So here you can check your homework answers and see if your answers were correct. Let's look at the textbook together. So I asked you to do this, listen to the conversations, do they agree or disagree? Disagree, that's interesting. Agree, I don't either. Agree, me too. Disagree, oh really, I do. Agree, I do too. Okay? So, here is the listening.
Page 48. Exercise A. 1.
I like exciting vacations.
That's interesting. I don't. I like quiet vacations.
2.
I don't like to go to crowded areas.
I don't either.
3.
I like to go on adventures. Me too.
4.
I don't like to visit the beach.
Oh, really? I do.
5.
I like to visit famous places.
I do too.
Okay, so that was part A, and then here I asked you to do the present continuous tense. I am looking. I am looking. I am riding. I am riding. My friend and I we are walking. My friend is driving, and my friends and I, we are walking. We are resting. You are smiling. Okay? So here is the activity. And you can say, I'm or I am, we are, you are, or you're, we're, it's okay. Both are okay. They are equal. Okay, so that was the answers for this exercise part C. Let's look at the next activity. And here I asked you to do some pros and cons. This is all about you, so this is different. I asked you to do Jeju Island. So some pros of Jeju Island are it is close, it is beautiful, it is famous in Korea, and it's not too expensive. Some cons are maybe it's boring because I already went there before, and it's very crowded. Usually it's very crowded. But that's all. Then maybe some unusual place. So your unusual place depends on you. Maybe I say some camping in the Australian outback. Maybe pros are I can see kangaroo. It's exciting. It's interesting. It's not boring. There's amazing views, and I have new experiences. But the cons are maybe it's a little bit dangerous, and going to another country so far away is very expensive. And maybe I don't know about the country there, so maybe I'm not good at finding my way home. So okay, that's just my ideas. You can have something about you, and anything you write is okay as long as it makes sense, but there's no one correct answer. And again here for the Utah, maybe you say Utah is exciting, or maybe you think Utah is boring. It's up to you. Do you like snowboarding? Do you think snowboarding is exciting? I kind of think snowboarding is a little bit boring because I am from Montana, and in Montana we go snowboarding a lot. So snowboarding is just okay, again, okay. But for me, maybe skydiving is exciting because it's not something I do a lot. but it depends on you. I think you could say snowboarding is quiet, it is cold, definitely, it's fun. A cruise. When I think of a cruise, I think of crowded. There are so many people, and they are all inside one boat. There is nowhere to go, so the cruise ship, I think, is very crowded. And I think a cruise is not quiet because it is so crowded. So a cruise ship is famous and fun and exciting and crowded. And the Philippines is quiet and exciting. It's not cold, it's warm, it's beautiful. It's not crowded because there is only a few people on the kayak. There's only 1 or 2 people on the kayak. It's not too crowded. Okay, so those are my ideas about this page. Let's look at the next activity. This was the Monkey City. And I asked you just to do part D. So you can skip all of the other activities, but let's look at part D. What do the monkeys take from the tourists? Oops, that is part E. We don't want part E. Excuse me, my mistake. Here is part D. What are the 2 goals of the monkey festivals in Lampari? Choose the 2 goals. Bring food to the monkeys and bring tourists to the city. Okay, and then number 2. What did the monkey take from the tourists? Sunglasses, and what are 2 things the statues get? Food and water. Okay, so that was the Monkey City listening, the video. I really liked this video. I think traveling is so exciting. So I think this was really funny, and I like animals. Okay, next I asked you to do part C and E on this page. So let's look at part C. Natural is something that people did not create. Man-made, something that people created. Special, better or different. Island, a land with water all around it. Amazing, very exciting or beautiful. View, the area that you can see. Mix, 2 or more different things together. And modern is new. Okay, so those are the answers for the vocabulary here, and the natural and man-made wonders. This is all about you. What do you think? So natural wonder in Hayang is the Gumhogang River. I live near the Gumhogang River, and the water is so beautiful. Man-made is what is something wonderful that is man-made? The train tracks. The train is really interesting and very helpful, and it goes on and on, connects all the cities. It's really cool. Okay, the country. What's something natural that's good in the country? Maybe Soraksan Mountain is really cool. And man-made, Namsan Tower in Seoul is a really cool place to visit. And in the world, a natural wonder, I love the Grand Canyon in Arizona in USA. I think it's the most beautiful place. And man-made, the Statue of Liberty is really cool, but that's also in America. So what's something man-made in not America? In the world, something man-made. Oh, the Panama Canal. The Panama Canal is a place where the boats can go from the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific Ocean, and they don't have to go all around South America or all around North America. They can shortcut through Central America. So the Panama Canal is a really cool place in the world. Okay, and I think that was all for our homework for this chapter. So that is all for the textbook homework. Thanks for working so hard, you guys. I will try to make sure the homework is more easy for the next future chapters. So I want to give you some good material to study so that we are not wasting our time, but I don't want to give you stress. So I will make sure the next homework is a lot of videos and discussions, and there is less work from the textbook. Okay? All right. Thanks, guys.